Alright, so it's January, February, something like 8 or 9 or 10. And it started snowing like crazy. Kind of tempted to go do some donuts and shit, so I called a homie. See if he wants to go slide around. Oh shit! This bitch won't even open. Come on, bitch. Oh, blizzard, but a little snowstorm. Warming up the Vette. Well, you can see it's pretty shitty outside. This bitch has a lot of snow. Look at that. Bunch of snow. I haven't seen this much snowfall in a few years, at least here in El Paso. Look how much snow that is. Damn. Look at that. Look at all that shit. That's it. Ooh, damn, it's fucking cold. Like really fucking cold. Look at this. Oh man, I don't know if you can see. There's quite a lot of snow up here. Oh. Looks nice and cozy in here. I got low tire pressure warning, but I'm kind of lazy to put air on it. Alright, let's do this. On my way. Alright, so I'm driving around with my hazards on because as soon as I step on it a little bit, I'm sliding all over. Can't see shit. Damn, there's a real MVP right there. There's the mailman. Right now we're headed again towards the mountain. This is the same road I took on my last video, but I'm not gonna take the roads by the mountain because I'm sure they're gonna be frozen, and they're very steep, so my car will definitely not roll up those hills. All right, so we're here at Ashton's place. Look at all this snow. It's maybe a couple of miles, so it wasn't too bad. Oh, there he is, there he is. But I drove real slow. Wasn't bad at all. I slid a little bit, but now that the engine's warmed and the oil's warmed up, could slide around a little bit or something. What's up, bro? Good morning. Sorry I woke you up. Hey, that's a cool ass guy with a fucking badass Subaru. That's what I should be driving. So Ashton's been driving around a little bit, learning how to draw a stick. He's getting the hang of it. He's gonna get a motorcycle soon, and also a V8. And soon, sometime in the future, you know, no rush. But look, it's a beautiful day out. Alright, damn, Ashton out here in the Vette. How you feeling, bro?
Feeling good, bro.
Hell yeah. Go ahead. That was fucking sick. You did a great job. Yeah, yeah, it does. This bitch is dirty as hell. We're gonna go hopefully do some donuts, but he's gonna be driving.
Yes, first time donuts, man.
Hell yeah. Give it again, and then clutch out. Teach my homie here how to do donuts for the first time because I don't have that many car friends and I'm desperate, so I'm trying to make them addicts.
Oh shit, man. Alright, sorry if I fucking crashed.
I gotta take off traction control. There it is. Alright, go ahead. No, you gotta give it a lot more.
A lot more, isn't it?
That's more. Yeah, more, yeah. More, feather. More, yeah, more, guys. There you go.
Oh shit.
Hell yeah.
Oh fuck, dude. That's
Oh, it smells good out here.
Mmm.
Alright, let's get the fuck out of here or what? Alright, get the fuck out of here then.
Alright, I got it. Gotta regroup myself.
Oh, yeah. Hell yeah, bro. Too bad I couldn't take a video from outside, but we will next time. How did you feel? Heck yeah, that was awesome. That was a lot of fun. Now let's get out of here before fucking Karen gets out.
Gun up on my waist like I'm trying to catch a case. Move, bitch. Nigga need a little space. Stank look on my face. That's too much drugs in
Damn, bro, it was a lot nicer like 5 minutes ago. Man, like the sun was shining, we were getting hot, rolling the windows down. I wanted to come up here to take some photos with the car on the mountain, but the mountain's all fucked up again. Alright, let's go back inside or what?
I be seeing the devil in my living room. I just hope I ain't got the devil in my little hole. This shit real. Lord, help me, Lord. These kids.